So we back with another 360 wave video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my daily routine. This is a morning method for 360 waves. So if you get any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We drop videos every Saturday, so hit that notification bell so you won't miss a bang. As a waver, you want to have a morning routine. The morning method is going to be nothing crazy, but you want to do just enough to make sure your waves can survive the day or be prepared for whatever they have ahead of them. You need a brush, whatever brush you need for whatever current stage your waves are currently in, a lay down pad or a plastic bag, some product, the Superior Wave Butter today for this morning method, and obviously your do-rag. I'm sure every waver's morning routine is very different, but this is based on, you're not gonna be doing nothing crazy. You're just trying to give your waves a little maintenance. This is what we looking like. I like to just run through with my hands just to see how your waves are feeling, to kind of decide which way you want to go. We've kind of been on top of keeping our 360 waves on point, so my hair is very smooth, very soft. When you're like this, you're really pretty straight. You don't really got to do anything crazy. So I like to just start it off with a little medium soft session. Crown Quality Products brush. Nothing crazy, a nice little medium soft session. Now that you got your soft session in, brushed, take this right here. I've been recommending this product on my channel for as long as I started, dog. Like, this is a highly underrated wave product, bro. It smells good, and I try to tell y'all all the time, man. It says it right here, how to use. Apply a small dime size. I don't know if y'all can see that, but a small dime size. You know what I'm saying? Your waves is smooth. I mean, it smells good, and you can instantly see how it adds. I'm saying, as soon as I apply it. If you didn't get that soft session in because you couldn't or whatever, it's all good. That's just, if you got time, my actual daily routine, I always do get the soft session in first. But it is all right if you just gotta go into your, get right into it. We're gonna with our Torino Pro vertical brush. Man, I love vertical brushing. If you didn't know, vertical brushing is perfect for your side waves. So if you're struggling with your side waves and you don't have your side waves coming in, or they're struggling or whatever, think about getting a vertical brush specifically designed for the sides and vertical brushing. And you see, like, I don't have perfect waves right now, but you see I'm all waved up. This is the process you gotta go through before you get them perfect waves. So this is why I'm allowing y'all to even see my waves like this, because we all gotta go through it, especially when we start slacking. We got a crown brush specifically designed for the crown. If you don't have this, you could always just still use whatever brush you got and use the corners. Trying to wave up your crown, you're not gonna see anything instantly. This is just something you gotta be consistent with and wave it up over time. Your crown is just like the rest of the waves. You gotta brush to wave it up. So you're not gonna see any instant transition. We're gonna finish up with our lay down pad, or better yet, just for y'all, because I mean, I had that yet. We're going with the plastic bag. Plastic bag is just as efficient. If I'm being honest, I think the plastic bag is still better than the new products we get. These new wave products we got, man. It's just more fashionable. These are just more of a fashion statement. So don't ever be ashamed to still rock the plastic bag, bro. It's still winning out. That's all you want to do with the plastic bag, man. Lay your waves down. That's your morning prep. And then you just want to rag back up, dog. And so you rag back up, dog. And when you get to your destination, school, work, and you unrag, your waves are gonna be nice, laid, smooth, shiny, smelling good, all that good stuff.